Unseen by the oblivious crowd, cryptic symbols mark the city streets. Sarah walks, momentarily noticing the strange markings before dismissing them as mere graffiti. Sarah stands among towering shelves, meticulously arranging books, when a forgotten manuscript catches her eye. Her curiosity ignited, she carefully pulls out the ancient manuscript, its brittle pages whispering tales of forgotten times. The scent of aged paper fills her senses as she opens the manuscript, revealing strange symbols etched onto the parchment. A shiver courses through her as she traces the symbols, a chilling premonition gripping her heart. Sarah steps out of the library, the heavy door closing behind her. A stranger emerges from the shadows, his presence a chilling omen in the night. The stranger's voice echoes, a haunting warning. You've seen them. Now they know you. Sarah descends into a hidden chamber beneath the city, guided by clues from the manuscript. A group of secretive individuals gathers around an altar, adorned with glowing, arcane symbols. These symbols are the key to unlocking a long-forgotten power. A tense standoff ensues as Sarah realizes the danger she is in.